we're trying to do is get people who are passing through the station, either on an ongoing journey, to come in and learn how to do CPR.
When I was a young girl, I was watching television with my mum. It was a programme about nurses, and then my gran was over visiting and she took seriously ill, and because I'd been watching the programme I knew what to do, and basically when the ambulance arrived they said that's what saved my gran's life.
It's important to do CPR because the basic simple thing is if you know how to do CPR, you could save someone's life, because the time it takes to perhaps an ambulance to get somewhere could be the difference between someone being saved or not. The fact that you can perhaps maintain that person, whether it's for 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, basically can save someone's life.
Ultimately, our aim is to make Scotland a nation of lifesavers, so that no one dies unnecessarily because they needed first aid. So what we want to try and do is give everyone the skills to be an effective bystander.